name is Ajiyobiogede Omo. I am from Egbemeku in Kogi State. I'm an Osanyin priestess. I'm the Osanyin priestess of Egbeland in Kogi State. I've been an Orisha worshiper for over 10 years, but for the past 3 years, I have been chosen as the Osanyin priestess of Egbeland. So I have been the Osanyin priestess of Egbeland for the past 3 years. Okay, as an Osanyin priestess, we know very well that everywhere in Nigeria has been taken over by Christianity, and most people believe that as an Isheshe worshiper, you are not welcome. As like in my place, which is Egbemeku, the people are mostly Christian. The king is a Christian. We are in the palace in Oyo now. We are doing Shango festival. We are here to felicitate with them. But in my place, no major festival is done in the past palace. No festival at all is done in the palace because everything there is purely Christian. So that's one of our major challenges, because the people don't embrace the religion, Isheshe, as much as they only come to us at the back. They can't come out openly to claim Isheshe. The Osanyin cult is a different cult on its own, because I call it cult because Osanyin worship is different from every other aspect of Orisha. It has different dynamics that is not in different aspects of Orisha. So Osanyin worship is not like every other worship of Orisha, because there are few choosing people who can do the work as an Osanyin priestess or priest. It's not just for everybody. So people who want to go specifically to Orisha worship, I would say, if you don't care what people say, you shouldn't look at the noise of people around you. Just have it at the back of your mind that if you are called, if you are chosen as an Orisha, even if you go to church for 100 days, you still come back and do this Orisha. So we know that as you are chosen, this is our fatherland, this is our religion. Christianity was brought to us from the west. Islam was brought from the north. But this is our own African traditional religion. And we should embrace it, we should appreciate it, and we should know that no matter what we do, home is home. There are a lot of white people here who have come from far and near to celebrate with us because they know what we have. They understand what we carry. Okay, so Orisha is Osanyin is an Orisha that is predominantly for herbs, for treatment of people. Osanyin is an Orisha that deals purely with herbs. And so, as an Osanyin priestess, I am automatically an herbalist, which has trained and specialized in herbalism, how to use different herbs for the use of human roots. How to use herbs to treat people, how to use herbs to help people in one situation or another. It depends. A lot of people, because of evolution now, people are beginning to become more enlightened. So even as a herbalist, people want to know you, people want to get to know you, people want to come closer to you. People feel secure telling you what they are going through, because they know that yes, you can help them in one way or the other through your herbs. My advice is for those coming into Isheshe, if you want to be a Shaka, be a Shaka. If you want to be a Shoko, be a Shoko. That's whatever you want to do. Do the right thing. Not those that will just jump into Isheshe. No. If you want to do Isheshe, do it the right way. Go through your right training, go through your right initiation process, do the right thing. Then at the end of the day, you will have people that you will look up to that will put you at the right path. I really commend their efforts. They have really exhibited a lot of love here. They have showed support. They have shown 100% support. I've noticed them since yesterday, and I can say that their support is 100%. My advice to people is that we should know what we carry. To especially religious people in particular, we should be true to our religion. We should not add fraud to whatever we are doing. We should appreciate what we carry. We should know who we are. We should know that we are the people that are the royal priesthood. We are the ones who are at the forefront. So we should know what we have. We should know who we are. We should not be intimidated by anything around us. And we will always get what we want, because a Lord Mary will always be our guide. You can reach me on 081 43 00 5101. We are Orisha at your on Instagram, Osanyin. Osanyin on Instagram.